Today we're talking about how to make a new team member feel welcome. This is so important, and there are different scenarios where this applies. Could be someone coming in new to your company, maybe someone new to your group, or even new to your project. So here are a few quick reminders and tips for your new member. So first of all, send a welcome. It could be a card, it could be a letter, a package, or even an email, just to say, hey, we look forward to working with you. Also, welcome them on their start date and be excited when they show up. Sometimes I've seen where the new people come on board and no one is around and no one there to receive them and they just feel lost. So when they start, just say something like, we've been looking forward to meeting you. Also, number 3, introduce them. And mention something specific about them, about the value they bring. Maybe something like, hey, this is our new software developer, or this is our new rocket scientist. So people know who they are and what they're bringing to the table. Also, number 4, have a welcome gathering. Maybe plan to have lunch or coffee. Some people say, well, how do we do this if it's virtual? Well, you could schedule a call and let people visually see, maybe have a video call these days, and just have people on the team be there so they can see one another and just introduce. Also, meet with them